Convert and share a file with ALYVR. This is a demonstration of the ALYVR service, which allows you to easily convert 3D files into shareable web panoramas without any special CAD software. ALYVR currently supports social login using Google, but we are working on Facebook and other providers. You can also register with a good old-fashioned email address and password. I'll use Google. Are there other social login providers that are important to you or your organization? Please let us know in the comments. Let me grab my password. Don't you love licenses? Our lawyers do, and we need permission to distribute your models, but your content always belongs to you. We also send an email to validate your identity. Sometimes it may end up in spam or another folder, so check carefully. Mine landed in promos. Click the link and you should be good to go. Welcome to ALYVR. You can use this portal to explore models that have been uploaded by the community. We'll be expanding this area to help you promote your designs, products, finishes, and furnishings. Let's create a project so you can see how easy it is. Click New Project to start the process. You can fill in a name and description that will appear in the portal and when you share your project URL. You can set the resolution and render quality. 1K draft renders are always free, so let's start there. For this demonstration, we will be converting a Blender file depicting an apartment interior. To use a Blender file with ALYVR, it must contain cameras. Each of these cameras will be rendered to a panoramic view. The Blender file should also have packed assets. To pack them, check Automatically Pack into Blend or select Pack All into Blend. ALYVR is able to read files from popular cloud storage platforms. Currently Dropbox and Google Drive are supported, but our system uses rclone to perform transfers, and we plan to support many of the providers it can talk to. If you have a preference that we do not yet support, like Microsoft OneDrive or Box.com, let us know in the comments below. Now let's connect the file to our project. First, we press the New File button and we will be presented with a list of cloud providers. Since we've uploaded our file to Dropbox, we'll choose that. Then we can sign into Dropbox. We'll stick to using Google for single sign-on. Since our app is still in beta, you will receive a warning from Dropbox. Click Continue. Then grant ALYVR read-only access to your files and basic account information. Now that the account is connected, we can select the apartment file we uploaded earlier. Once the file is attached, you will need to wait for the system to download the file and probe it for cameras. Once the status changes to probed, you can switch to the Cameras tab to monitor the rendering process. This will take a little time, so you have to be patient. This recording has been sped up. The original process took about 10 minutes. Even though rendering the views takes some time, the final product comes up immediately when you share it with others. Once all of the camera views have been populated, you can disable any unwanted views with the switch on the right of each view. The gold star selects which camera view will be used as the cover image for listings and when sharing. The Details tab will allow you to change the permissions on the project from private to public and share your creation with the world. For a more controlled interactive experience, the Share feature creates an interactive session URL that you can send to others by chat, email, or any other tool. Click back to the full screen view and you can now freely look around your model with the 360-degree web panorama. The floating action button on the lower right allows you to select other camera views. When any user in the session changes to a camera, all of the other users will switch to that view. This makes it easy to communicate about your model, and the only tool a participant needs is a web browser. With ALYVR, creating web panoramas from your 3D models no longer has to be an expensive and time-intensive process. We look forward to seeing your creativity in action. This concludes our demonstration. Please visit ALYVR.com to learn more and try the process with a 1K render for free. Thank you.